everyone seen how they're calling for snow? Once again, what can I say? We live in a snow belt here. We thought we would take the opportunity to do a how-to video showing you how we mount a plow to our pickup truck. The plow we're talking about is the Fisher HD2. It is an 8-foot plow, and it does come with the minute mount too. Makes life so much easier. It's about how long it will take to mount it. So we're going to show you the procedures that we go through and put the truck away. Tomorrow we'll come out and do some plowing. Now the first step, you've got to get the truck to get into the headgear here. Cheryl's going to guide me in. I just want to point some things out. When you're coming this way, this here, they call it a push plate. There's one here, there's one here. Now over on the plow itself, let me open this up, where that just came out, this here is called the push ear, both sides. And as you would probably figure, the push plates are going to go into the push ears. And then we'll end up closing the retaining pins, and that is going to be what holds it in. So first off, we're going to move the truck.
With the pins open. This is how I do it.
Woo-hoo, muscles.
Now we're going to pull up the jack.
Yeah, you can pull out the jack lock. And before you go on, take the release handle here for the pins and just push it in. That way there, when this goes back in, it will lock this in position too. But while that's there, pull it all the way up, let go of the lock.
So it's up off the ground.
Yep.
And now we need to plug it in.
Yep.
So the plugs are stored in this little rubber gadget. So we're going to pull one out, pull the other one out, and I'm going to go over to the other side so I can show you how Chuck is going to plug that in.
Make sure that you put dielectric grease in here, just to keep them working correctly. Cap off this side. Now, when you look at them, this has like an arrow on the end.
Yep.
That definitely goes in this one. It wouldn't fit in the other side, so don't worry about hooking it up wrong. You can put it in.
The pins are different on the inside. And we're going to go over the other side. The other side. See how the plug has different pins?
Yeah. These pins are bigger.
So you cannot make a mistake.
They won't fit in the wrong hole. And this also has the arrow. Just make sure that the two arrow ends line up.
They're a little slippery.
Okay.
There we go.
So this is the controller that we have. Some of them are a joystick. I prefer this over the joystick. So this is where it's going to plug in. And see how there's the design of it? It's only going to fit in there one way.
Plugged right in there. And now we can use it to test the plow. Everything's working properly. Piper approves.
Is she all right?
Yeah. Now we just have to put it away until the snow flies. Okay.
All right, everyone. The plow is on. The snow has fallen. They were calling for 10 inches. We got a little over 7. But now it's all over the place. So we got to go clean up. Before we take it off, I just want to mention something. These did not come with the plow. These did. The problem with these, I mean, they're flexible and everything, but we have a hill in our driveway, and going down it, I cannot tell where these are. So, I was able to find these online. I'll have a link in the description box down below. They are a few inches higher. Makes all the difference in the world. They are thicker also.
They're fluorescent orange also.
Yes. So,
They're easy to see.
yep. All right, let's get to taking this plow off.
Removing the plow is just the opposite of putting it on.
Yep, pretty much the same thing. You're going to start over here with the jack lock. You're going to pull it out and watch the jack. That falls to the ground. Next thing you want to do is you want to pull the pin release handle out from its holding right here. Then, go back over to the jack. We're going to lift up. There you go. You got to get it into one of these slots here. Can you see the slots? The lock that's underneath it.
Yep, there's one way down at the bottom.
Okay, moving on.
The next step is disconnecting the electrical.
Yep, simple matter of just pulling the two plugs apart. Now, this one has a cover. It goes right over it. Come on. That one's done. It goes in there. This I'll hook up after we get the other side done. And this is the other one. Oh, got a little cold after doing that.
Yeah, when they're cold, it's a little harder to do.
Okay. All right, so once it's off, I'll put the wires up in there.
Now we have to release the pins.
Yeah, so take the release pin handle, pull it all the way down, and it will come. Chances are it's not going to, so you're going to need to be pushing on the headgear here to get it.
There it is. Then you just back away. And once that's done, you can come over and put your little wires back into the little holding slot.
Can you get them?
I got one.
Where's the other?
And there they are protected for the next storm.
Yeah. Just so you know, too, if this gives out on you, underneath here, they have these two welded plates. They'll also fit right behind there.
Yes, they do. All right.
All right, everyone, there you go. We showed you how to attach and detach the Fisher plow. This is the HD2 with the minute mount. Love the minute mount. You just saw how easy that was. But other than that, we got the driveway cleared.
We did.
And we got blue skies back.
Yay.
So I'm not going to hold you any longer. If you like what you saw, I would appreciate that thumbs up. As always, want to follow along with everything we do here on the WeRmudfun channel? Right down there in the corner. Just click it and you're in. After you do that, don't forget to ring the bell. You'll be notified every time we put a new video up.
If you have any questions or comments, you can put them right down below, or you could just say hi.
Because we'll say hi back. We always do. Until our next how-to video, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Cheryl.
Bye.
Bye.